Thanks for choosing an Nespresso Business Solutions ProLine machine. I'll demonstrate the basic functions on this CS220, which combines the CS100 coffee machine and the CS20 milk frother. The CS220 has a cup warming tray on top and 2 coffee heads. Each head has its own capsule container and drip tray. The machine has 2 removable 3-liter water tanks, and if you like, you can connect the machine to a water supply. The milk frothing head connects to a 2-liter insulated container that can hold cold milk for up to 8 hours. To prepare the coffee, fill the water tanks and the milk container, and switch on the power button on the back of the machine. Then push the red standby button. The machine will take about 30 seconds to rinse, and the milk function will take an additional minute to warm up. When all of the lights are steady white, it's ready to go. Now, if the water goes directly into the drip tray and not out the spout, or if the display reads push a button, the valve may need to be primed. To prime the valve, just pour hot water into the tank and run it through the system. Next, insert a professional Grand Cru capsule into one of the coffee heads. Remember, just 1 capsule at a time. Place a cup under the head and select your cup size. Ristretto, Espresso, or Lungo. As soon as the coffee is ready, the used capsule will eject into the container. To set up the milk frother on the CS220 or CS20, you can use either the straw and nozzle device or the Cappuccino Cafe Latte plug-and-play device. With the straw and nozzle device, remove the milk container and place the straw through the lid. Then, attach the straw to the pipe on the back of the nozzle. Put the milk container back and connect the top section of the plastic nozzle to the nozzle body, and it's ready to use. Remember, there's a small cap connected to the top of the plastic nozzle. The cap can be removed, but it must be snapped on in order to froth. If it isn't connected, you'll just get steam. With the plug-and-play device, connect the rubber nozzle to the nozzle body with the chrome spout pointing down. Now, take the long rubber tube, which connects to the left of the spout, and insert the end into the milk container. Attach the plug-and-play device to the nozzle body, and turn the front dial to choose Cappuccino or Cafe Latte. Keep in mind that only the Cappuccino function will dispense foam. Please note that the plug-and-play device has a cap on the top that must be inserted. To dispense froth milk, place the cup under the milk head and press the milk button. If you want to manually control the quantity of the milk, press the plus button and release it when you've reached the desired amount. To clean the plug-and-play device, put the rubber tube in 8 ounces of water. Activate the milk button and draw water and steam through the device. There's also a stainless steel head that dispenses hot water. Use it to make tea or Americano coffee. Press the hot water button for a standard serving, or the plus button to control the quantity. After a day of operation, carefully clean the drip trays, discard all the used capsules, wash the milk container, and clean the milk frother by running steam through the nozzle. For further information, please visit Nespresso.com/pro or call us toll-free at 800-566-0571. Thanks for choosing an Nespresso Business Solutions ProLine machine. I'll demonstrate the basic functions on this CS220, which combines the CS100 coffee machine and the CS20 milk frother. The CS220 has a cup warming tray on top and 2 coffee heads. Each head has its own capsule container